We can use radians to find the length of arcs and the area of sectors so much easier than we can in degrees. And I'm going to show you how. If we can derive the two formulas, we know that from GCSE, the area of a sector is theta times pi r squared, right? Over 360, right? And the same thing with the circumference, sure. Now, let's do the same thing, but for radians. So, the area is going to be theta over 2 pi times pi r squared. Yeah? The pi's will cancel out. And so what we're left with is area is equal to a half theta radius squared. Okay? If I can actually show you an example. So this is theta. This is the radius. That is the area of the sector. Now let's do it with the circumference. For the circumference, right? Again, we're going to use radians. So, theta over 2 pi times 2 pi r. Because we're multiplying both top and bottom with the same number, we can cancel it out. So the circumference is just going to be theta times the radius. Yeah? And it's only because we are using radians. Now let's take a look at that in real time. So, the sector of this circle has radius root 10 and angle of root 5. Find the length of the arc. Well, if we know that C is equal to theta times r, we know that the circumference is just going to be root 5 times root 10, which is the same as root 50. Okay? Now, let's summarize root 50 because that's not in its simplest form. That's the same as root 25 times root 2. So the answer is 5 root 2. Okay? And that is how, centimeters. And that is how we work out the area of a arc. Is this video helpful? Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video from me. Now let's look at this example, where this time we're asked to work out the perimeter. First things first is state the angle of COA, which is this angle here. Well, we know that angle COA plus 2 over 3 pi is equal to pi, because pi is 180 degrees. And so therefore, angle COA is just going to be a third pi, right? Okay. Now we're told that the shaded region enclosed by the chord AC, CB, and AB is the temperate of a brooch. So find the value of the perimeter of the brooch. Okay. So what have we got? We need to work out what this length CA is, and we also need to work out what CB is. Well, CB, that's just going to be theta times radius, which is the same as 2 times 2 over 3 pi, which is 4/3 pi. Okay? Now, this is a radius, and this is a radius. So we both know that these are 2 centimeters, okay? So therefore we can say that CA is equal to the cosine rule. We're going to use the cosine rule, yeah? So, CA squared is going to be 2 squared plus 2 squared minus 2 times 2 times 2 cos pi over 3. Okay? What is pi over 3? Well, if you guys remember, pi over 3 is equal to 60 degrees. So that's just going to be 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4 centimeters. And so therefore CA is equal to 2 centimeters. Therefore, right, the exact perimeter is going to be 4 over 3 pi plus 2. And that is our final answer. Do you guys need more help with these types of questions? Well, send me whatever you want down below for fast responses, guaranteed. Now, let's look at this example of the area. In this diagram, BC is an arc of a circle, and we know that this is 8 centimeters in radius. So given that OA equals OD, given that BOC is 1.6, calculate the area of the shaded region. Well, the first thing we need to note is the area of the entire thing. The area of the entire thing is going to be a half theta radius squared. Yeah? So that's just equal to 1.6 over 2 times 8 squared, which is the same as 51.2, okay? Sure. So the entire thing is 51.2. Now what we need to do is work out the area of just the triangle. Yeah? And that is going to be a half AB sine C, okay? Which is the same as what we told. We're saying OA is equal to OD. So that's going to be a half times 5 times 5 times sine C. Times sine 1.6. Okay? Now, what we can do is we can adjust our calculators into radians. So that's just equal to 12.49 centimeters squared. Okay? And so therefore, the area of just that region there, wait, that was a terrible drawing, that region there, sure, is equal to 51.2 minus 12.49, which is equal to 38.7 centimeters squared. And that is our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Do you like my tutoring style and you want to pass your exams with flying colours? Well, guess what? You can get tutored by me. Drop me an email and we can organise a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.